Hello, everyone, and welcome to this video that will transform your perspective on making money online without investment. I'm delighted to have you here today as we explore together the illusion of freebies and uncover the true keys to online success. But before we dive into the heart of the matter, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified of our upcoming inspiring and informative videos. Chapter 1. The illusion of freebies. You've probably come across ads promising easy and quick earnings without any effort. Websites, YouTube videos, or social media advertisements lure us with tempting promises. Unfortunately, many of these offers are traps, and falling for the illusion of freebies can have disastrous consequences. Example 1. Paid-to-click sites. You may have heard of sites that claim to pay you for simply clicking on ads or links. The idea of making money without doing anything might sound appealing, but in reality, these sites are often scams or pyramid schemes. You'll end up wasting your time, and your personal data might be exploited for malicious purposes. Example 2. Online surveys. Online surveys are another common illusion of freebies. You're promised money or rewards for participating in surveys, but in truth, the time you spend on them is often not worth the meager rewards received. You'd be better off investing that time in creating your own online venture. Chapter 2. The reality of online success. To succeed on the internet, it's essential to understand that success doesn't happen overnight, and it requires real investment, whether it's time, effort, or money. Investing time in your passion. Time is one of the most valuable resources you have. If you want to succeed online, you must be willing to dedicate time to developing your skills and online presence. Whether you want to become a blogger, a video creator, an artist, or an online entrepreneur, you'll need to invest time in nurturing your passion to make it grow. Example 1. Becoming a social media influencer. Let's say you have a passion for photography. You could invest time every day in taking breathtaking shots and sharing them on Instagram. By engaging with your audience and using the right hashtags, you'll gradually attract more and more followers. Over time, you may collaborate with brands or offer merchandise to your growing community, generating income. Investing in yourself and your education. Online success also depends on your ability to acquire new skills and knowledge. You must be willing to invest in your education to stay relevant in a constantly evolving digital world. Taking a digital marketing course. Suppose you want to create an online store to sell handmade products. By investing in a digital marketing course, you'll learn the best strategies to promote your store, attract targeted traffic, and increase sales. Chapter 3. Genuine opportunities to make money online. Now that we've dispelled the illusion of freebies, let's explore some real opportunities to make money on the internet. Opportunity 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning commissions on sales made through your recommendation. It's an excellent opportunity for content creators and influencers. For example, becoming an Amazon affiliate. You could create a blog about gardening and share practical tips, product reviews, and recommendations. By including affiliate links to gardening products on Amazon, you could earn commissions on sales generated by your readers. Opportunity 2. Paid content creation. If you're passionate about a specific topic and enjoy creating content, you can monetize your passion by developing a blog, a YouTube channel, or a podcast. For example, creating a YouTube fitness channel. If you're passionate about fitness, you could create a YouTube channel where you share workout sessions, nutrition tips, and inspiring videos. By attracting a dedicated audience, you could generate revenue through advertising, partnerships with sports brands, or sales of digital products like workout programs. Opportunity 3. Paid online services. If you have specific skills, you can offer them as paid services on dedicated platforms like Fiverr or others. For example, becoming a freelance writer. If you're skilled in writing, you could become a freelance writer and offer your services on platforms like Upwork. You could get paid for writing articles, web content, or newsletters for clients worldwide. In conclusion, making money online without investment is often a dangerous illusion. Online success requires genuine investment, whether it's in time, skills, or money. Be persistent, passionate, and willing to learn to seize the real opportunities that will help you achieve your financial goals on the internet. I hope this video has been helpful and has given you a better understanding of the reality of making money online. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to like and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to the channel to not miss any of our upcoming motivating and instructive videos. Thank you for watching, and see you soon for new online adventures.